You've probably seen this before. The salad is a little wilted and may even have some bruises. This certainly wouldn't have happened with the innovative technology of the washing and drying machines by AlexanderSolia. Now I'll show you how the machines work, because we are making a salad with berry dressing. The SWA is working fully automatic. Everything happens with a fine mesh system. Putting in the salad, washing and draining, all in one step. I'll show you the inner workings of the machine now. Your salad is being washed gently with a rolling water movement instead of just being hit by water from the outside. Floating particles and dirt are being easily filtered with the fine mesh. The SWA is especially energy efficient since the water is reused and fresh water is sprayed onto the salad again near the end of the washing process before draining. This way we have a perfectly washed salad. And this is the fine mesh with all the icky stuff. Nobody can get a salad cleaner by washing it by hand. Not only will you have satisfied customers with the washing and drying technique of the SWA, you'll save water, time and lots of wage costs. Per washing process, the SWA only needs 4 to 5 liters of fresh water, and your staff is able to take care of more important stuff than washing salad. Even the most sensitive fruit is washed perfectly and gently by the SWA. And our salad with berry dressing is already done. Thanks to the SWA, it's not only tasty, but super clean as well. Enjoy!